Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and today I'm talking about Evernote versus Google Keep. Now, to me personally, finding the best note-taking solution is very important. After all, you need a place where you can jot down ideas whenever they come to you, and you need to know you'll be able to find them fast, quick, and easy. But for me personally, I also want a place that is a digital notebook replacement. So that posed the question, which is better, Evernote or Google Keep? These two seemingly similar softwares are actually a lot different from each other. So, jumping in with Google Keep, it is pre-installed on a lot of Android devices, so that may be a plus for some people. You might use Google Keep just because it came with your phone. Now, it's 100% free, it's available on all devices, iOS, Android, and web, and it's a simple one-note-fits-all mentality. It doesn't have a very in-depth interface, it's more just like sticky notes, no formatting, nothing super complicated. I made a video just about Google Keep, which you can check out over there, but this is a comparison, so what does Evernote have to offer? So Evernote is available on all devices. It's available on iOS, Android, web, and they do have a Mac app. They may even have a Windows app. It's available everywhere. For me personally, because I have the free plan, I use it on my Android phone and I use web on all my computers. I don't have a tablet, so this works fine for me because you can only have 2 devices linked to your account with the free plan. Now, the 2 main ways Evernote stands out are advanced formatting, such as bold, italics, and other tools like lines in your notes, and also powerful tagging and search. Evernote is really set up to be a notebook replacement. You can have multiple notebooks, and within those notebooks you can have tags, and it's easy to look through documents and search and dig up a specific thing. Now, I also want to compliment Evernote on battery efficiency on the Android app. I do really like the audio recording feature. If I'm listening to a lecture, I'll just go ahead and record it while I'm typing, and the app is so battery efficient that it just works. Now, as a disclaimer, it is very low quality audio, and I do wish you had an option to change the quality and say, hey, you know what, take more storage, take more battery, please record higher quality. They don't give you that option, and that does bother me a little bit. So it really comes down to this. If you're looking for a quick and easy, 100% free place to jot down what's on your mind, Google Keep is simpler. However, if you're looking for a complete notebook replacement, Evernote is for you. You may have to pay for the Plus or Premium plan depending on your needs. Personally, I am just fine with the free plan. And to me, I really like the advanced formatting and the powerful tagging. It's something that I'm going to use and I can go back and find stuff whenever I need it. So I actually used Google Keep for several years, but I have to admit, I've switched to Evernote. Ever since I tried it, it slowly grew on me, and now I really never use Google Keep anymore. So which note-taking app is right for you? Leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button for more. By the way, I have a video about Google Keep you can watch by clicking right here. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys next time.